you've been enjoying this week so far on Google Classroom. It's been lovely to see all the work that you've done. Miss Dudley and I, and even Mrs Hall, are super impressed with you. You've been worked so hard, okay? So keep it up, you've been doing fantastic. So we're going to have another one of these lessons. So I'm going to do the introduction again for you, and then you're going to be able to have a go on Google Slides, have a go at your work. So again, we're going to do a recap first. So it says to order these in ascending order. Now we have ascending order and descending order. What's the difference? Fantastic, okay. Ascending order is when it goes up, so your smallest numbers at the start, then your largest numbers at the end. Descending order is when it goes down, so your largest number is at the start and then your smallest number is at the end. So we need our smallest number at the start going to our largest number at the end. Fabulous. So we need to think about which one is our smallest number first. So if we have a look, we can go through and compare them again. So if we have a look, we've got a 3 in the ones, got a 4 in the ones, a 3 in the ones and a 3 in the ones. So at the moment, the 3s are going to be the smallest number. Okay, so I'll put a dot next to those. So we know those, it's doing red actually. So we know those, one of those is going to be the smallest number. Okay, so we're going to move across again. So we've got 2 in at the tenths, a 4 in the tenths, a 2 in the tenths and a 2 in the tenths. Actually, we're going to forget that one, sorry. So 2 in the tenths, 4 in the tenths and a 2 in the tenths. So which one do you think, which 2 out of those 3 are going to be the smallest numbers at the moment? Fantastic, the top and the bottom one, so we can get rid of that one. So at the moment we're going to just compare these numbers. So out of 3.24 and 3.26, which one is the smallest decimal? Well done, it's the top one, isn't it? Because if we have a look at the hundredths column, we've got a 4 in the hundredths up here and a 6 in the hundredths down here, which means that this is going to be our smallest number. So we can write over here 3.24. So I'm going to make it easy for myself and cross that out. Okay, so which one is then the second smallest? Well done, we knew it from before, didn't we? When we were comparing them, we said that this was one of the last ones left. So then it's going to be 3.26. Fantastic. And now I've got these 2 in the middle. So again, if you're not too sure, we can go and have a look at the most significant number and then work our way across. So at the moment, if we start the most significant number, we're looking at our ones, okay? So we've got a 3 in the ones and a 4 in the ones. Which one is going to be smaller? Yeah, well done. It's going to be this one, 3.42, which means that the largest number is, fantastic, it's going to be 4.21. So there's our order there, okay, fantastic. So today we're going to move on to looking at adding decimal numbers. So I've got a bit of a challenge on here. We've had a little look about adding decimals in lesson already. Can anyone spot the mistake that I made here? Can anyone spot the mistake? Now I would go on about this in class and I'd say to make sure that you don't do this. Well done, okay? We need to make sure that our place value is in the right column. At the moment, we've got 0.1. If I wrote that on my place value chart, 0.1, my 1 is in the tenths. If I write this one in the place value chart, 2.71, they're not in line, are they, at the moment? So I need to change this one. Fantastic. I've got 0.1. Now, does it matter that there's nothing here in my hundredths column? No, brilliant. It just means that I have 0 hundredths. It's exactly the same as if I was to put a 0 there. It doesn't matter, okay? So I can keep that 0 there or I can get rid of it, okay? So let's have a look at this one first. Adding 2.71, add 0.1. So we start furthest on the right, don't we? It's the same as if we were adding numbers. It's exactly the same. There's just 2 decimal points there now, okay? So if I put my decimal point down there first. So I've got a 1, add nothing. So that is 1. Well done. I've got 7, add 1. 8, fantastic. And I've got 2, add 0. 2. Brilliant. So my answer is 2.81. Fabulous, Year 5. Well done. So let's have a look then at, oh, now this would be the point in the lesson where I'd ask you for some numbers, but unfortunately I can't do that. So I'm going to have to make some numbers up of my own. So let's have 3.213. Add, let's do 1.17. We'll start off with that for now, okay? So is my place value correct? It is. Well done, haven't I? I've got my decimal points, I've got my ones, I've got my tenths, I've got my hundredths, and I've got my thousandths. So it's all in the correct place. If I want my 0 there, then I can have it, okay? It just means that there's no thousandths in that number. So I've got 3, add nothing, which is brilliant. I've got 1, add 7, 8, you're doing brilliantly this Year 5, well done. 2, add 1, is 3, don't forget my decimal point. 3, add 1 is 4, brilliant, exactly the same as you would do normally with your addition. The only difference is there's decimals, okay? Well done, so the answer will be 4.383. Okay, so we're going to go into something a bit trickier now. Let's have 2.738 add 1.425. Let's try this. Now remember, it's exactly the same, only difference is, yeah, we'll do that. Only difference is we've got the decimal points and we need to make sure that our place value is in the right column, okay? So I've got my ones in the right place, my tenths, my hundredths and my thousandths. So we start off again on the right hand side. 8 add 5 is fabulous. What was that? Oh, of course. Yes, you need to make sure that you remember to put your 1 down there, okay? Exactly like you do in column addition. Well done. Well done for spotting that. 8 add 5 is 13, but we need to take that over. 3 add 2 is 5. Add on the 1 is 6. Brilliant. And then 7 add 4 is 11. And well done for reminding me that I need to do that. Okay. 2 add 1 is 4. Brilliant. Well done for remembering that one down there. So my answer is 4.163. So we're going to have a go at one more, and then I want you to have a go at spotting a mistake that I'm going to put on this board. Okay, so we'll have 1.82, we'll do it like that, yeah. Then we have 0.573. Okay, we'll do it that way around. It doesn't matter when we're adding, it doesn't matter which way around they are. You don't need your biggest number at the top. Okay, not your biggest number, sorry. The one with the more digits at the top. Okay, it doesn't matter because we can just do 3 add nothing is 3. Brilliant. 2 add 7 is 9. Fabulous. 8 add 5, 13. Don't forget. Okay. 1 add 0 add 1 is 2. Brilliant. Okay, nice and simple. So I am going to put I'm going to actually just spot my mistake. Okay, Year 5, I'm going to put one on the board. Okay, I'll leave the video there and I want you to see if you can either comment on your work and tell me what the mistake was, okay? See if you can spot it. So let's have, I'm going to do 2.371 add 1.25. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So I'm going to work through it. So I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. So spot my mistake. What mistake have I made? Okay, see if you can tell me. And I will see you. I'll see you tomorrow actually. We're going to do another one tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow, year 5. Bye.